To judicial matters, the Supreme Court has imposed a 5 million naira fine on a former presidential candidate, Ambrose Uguru, for harassing President Bola Tinubu with a frivolous and vexatious suit. Justice Olubunmi Abike-Fadipe issued the order against the former presidential candidate on the platform of the Hope Democratic Party in the 2019 general election, while dismissing his fresh suit, praying for the removal of President Tinubu as president. Apart from the 5 million naira fine, the Apex Court ordered its registry not to accept any frivolous originating summons from Mr. Uguru again. At the day's proceedings, Mr. Uguru, who claimed to be a lawyer called to the Nigerian bar in 1984, sought to argue his own case wearing his wig and gown, but was ordered out of the bar and directed to remove his wig and gown before he could be allowed to argue his case. Upon complying with the orders, Mr. Uguru was asked why he came before the court again, having had his suits dismissed 3 times. Away from that, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has re-arraigned a former managing director of the defunct Bank PHB Plc, now Keystone Bank Limited, Francis Atuche, and 2 others, Nnosiri Joachim and Uguru Onyike, before Justice Olubunmi Abike-Fadipe of the Special Offences Court, sitting in Ikeja, Lagos. They were rearraigned on a 9-count charge bordering on alleged conspiracy to commit felony and forgery. They were originally arraigned before Justice Habeeb Abiru before he was upgraded as a justice of the Court of Appeal. The case consequently started afresh with Justice Adeniyi Onigbanjo, who has now retired, prompting the transfer of the case file to Justice Abike-Fadipe. When the charge was read to them on Monday, all the defendants pleaded not guilty. Prosecution counsel Fanen Anum asked the court for a trial date, but the counsel to the first defendant, Anthony Ikeja, prayed the court to allow his client enjoy the earlier bail granted him by the court, despite the fact that he was still a convict in another matter.